What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be going over the importance of using your knees in the skate park and pumping when you're going around the ramps. Alright, so I've touched on this subject before in a previous video, but I'm making another video on it to show the importance of it. As you're going to see in the video, I demonstrated both ways of rolling around the park with and without pumping, and you can see the exaggerated difference between the two. Pumping is that beforehand your knees are going to be bent when you're coming in, and then in the beginning of the ramp you're going to be straight, and usually on a ramp like this you're going to stay straight until you're coming out of it. You're going to bend on the way out. So then a ramp like this is very similar to the other one, but this one, of course, on the way in you're going to be bent all the way up it. You're going to be straight all the way, and then you're going to bend when you get to the top, and you can relax once you're up. And then when you're going down, you're going to bend a little bit and then straighten out when you get to the bottom. Then on a quarter pipe like this, it's going to be bend on the way in, straight in the middle, and then bend when you get up to the top here.